The Nissan X-TRAIL is one of the world's best-selling SUVs, and for a reason. This new MY21 model is now up to date with all the latest tech. So my name's Sam from Hobart Nissan, and today I'll be running you through our 2021 Nissan X-TRAIL ST.
The Nissan X-TRAIL is powered by a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder engine with great fuel economy of 7.9 litres per 100 kilometres. The front of the X-TRAIL really does stand out from the crowd with some great new styling features and safety features such as LED integrated indicators on the wing mirrors, LED daytime running lights, and V-Motion chrome grille to sit in the Nissan lineup perfectly, and even some 17-inch alloy wheels with Goodyear tyres for extra grip. You'll also notice on the rear some great styling features including chrome accents on the bottom and the middle centre of the car, a top rear spoiler, and even some chrome X-TRAIL badging. The X-TRAIL ST comes in two different variants, in a 7-seater and a 5-seater. The 7-seater has some flip-up rear seats for passengers and still a little bit of room in the rear. The second row of seats are on rails to enable easy access into the third row for the 6th and 7th seat. There's also the option to flip the rear seats down to enable a normal size boot space. In the 5-seater variant, when you fold all the seats down, you'll get increased boot space and slightly more than the 7-seater with the floating floor option and Nissan's hide and divide cargo system to enable you to organise your stuff in the rear easily. The family will be comfortable at all times with some comfortable rear seats and even their own fold-down armrests with cup holders and some rear air vents for extra circulation of air. The front doesn't miss out with, of course, some more comfortable seats and a really driver-focused, classy interior with D-shaped steering wheel and up-to-date tech. You get the option of a media port, auxiliary port, and 12-volt charging socket down the bottom, and then of course a nice 7-inch touchscreen with digital radio option, Bluetooth for your phone, and more importantly Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity to enable you to access Google Maps, Spotify, other music software, scroll through your contacts, and do all the features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allows you to do. The steering wheel has multi-function controls, including the option to control your 5-inch advanced drive assist display with digital instrument cluster and speedo in between your two dials. 5-seat X-TRAILs come with the option of intelligent 4x4, which you can change into auto mode, 2-wheel drive, or a 4-wheel drive lock for off-road use or extra traction when you need it. X-TRAIL comes with up-to-date safety features including intelligent emergency braking and intelligent forward collision alert warning to help you on the road to prevent crashing.
And there we have it, our brand new MY21 Nissan X-TRAIL ST. If you'd like to inquire on this vehicle, give us a call on 62135460 or come down to Hobart Nissan to check out our brand new MY21 Nissan